And as we noted, we already have to discuss the like start the session. When educated and talented people leave their country to work in another country, they go there because they get better opportunity and salaries in other countries. And the when do you like to
Yes, friend, I would like to say that let me complete my point by saying and also I would like to say that as we know that brain drain is a brain drain weakens the country of home country because educated people migrate from their home country in another foreign country and many educated people leave their home country because of better salaries and better job opportunities and life and better lifestyle in abroad. So would you like to say?
Yes, I would like to say something here, friends. As we all know that there are so many serious problems in our country, and brain drain is one of them. As we all know that brain drain is that all the expert and educated people go for the award for the better income and better facilities for and leaving our country. That's why our country is not going well, and our educated and expert are going abroad, and this is a type of brain drain. So
yes, gentlemen, I agree with thought that the most of the content brain drain is the migration of the literate people and among the nations that America and the most of the examples such as the CEO of the Google, also Sundar Pichai is the migrated from the India. Is also concerns the brain drain.
Yes, I would like to say something, friend. Please let me complete my point, then you carry on. Friends, brain drain is the major problem in our society. It weakens the country's economy because the main cause of brain drain is low wages and the poor working condition of our country. If government start policy to provide good salary and better infrastructure, then this problem can be solved. Would you like to say something, my
Yes,
friend?
friend, I would like to say something here. In my opinion, brain drain is a serious problem for our country that facing for a long time, and this is the one of the biggest reason for India is still developing, not developed. So our government should take some preventive step to stop it, and so that our country is prosperous. So I think this is my opinion. Would you like to
My dear friends, I would like to say now friends, the brain drain is the movement of highly skilled and able to go to the country to another, and they can work in good condition and unknown money. So friend, I think brain drain is one of the most important to not only India but also to the country. So friends, this is my personal view. Would you like to?
Yes, friend, I would like to say that as we know that India has faces the brain drain problem and it is a major concern in our country, and so government should take care of it and they should available for educated people better salaries and better education policies and should aware campaigns for bring back the educated people in foreign countries. So would you like to say?
Yes, I would like to say something.
So I was saying that friends, brain drain is situation of skilled migration of skilled people from their own country to another because they think they don't have enough opportunities to prosper in their own country. That's why they think higher standard of living in the host countries. Would you like to say something?
Yes, I would like to say something here, friend.
Let me finish my point.
Please carry on.
So I was saying that brain drain, private company for brain drain is better opportunity and jobs. So I support private companies. So would you like to?
Yes, I will add some brain drain. Brain drain is beneficial for those countries where these people migrate because those countries get skilled people without much expense on their studies.